Organizational structure in Government of India. Article 74 and 77 of Constitution deals with the organizational structure of the government. Article 74 is about Council of Ministers. Article 77 is about conduct of government business. Under Article 77, two sets of rules were framed. The Government of India Allocation of Business Rules 1961 and the Government of India Transaction of Business Rules 1961. Allocation of Business Rule 1961 says, on the advice of the Prime Minister, President allocate ministries, departments to the ministers. Also associates another minister or deputy minister to perform such functions as may be specifically assigned to him. Transaction of Business Rules 1961 defines the authority, responsibility and obligations of each department in the matter of disposal of work allotted to it. Work will be done under the direction of the minister in charge. It also specifies the cases to be submitted to the President, the Prime Minister, the Cabinet or its committees for prior approval. What is ministry or department? A ministry is a department of government led by a minister. Ministries are usually subordinate to the Cabinet, Prime Minister and the President. A department formulates, executes and reviews the policies of the government in relation to the work allocated to it. Department consists of wings, divisions, branches and sections. Administrative head of the department is Secretary. Secretary is also the principal advisor of the minister on all matters of policy and administration within the department. Department has different wings. Wings are headed by Special Secretary or Additional Secretary or Joint Secretary. Wings functions independently. They are responsible for the work falling within the subject of the wing. Work of Additional Secretary or Joint Secretary. Additional Secretary assists the Secretary in the discharge of his functions and supervises the work of each bureau, divisions as may be assigned to him by the Secretary. Joint Secretary, entrusted with the maximum measure of independent functioning and responsibility in respect of all business falling within his bureau, subject to the general responsibility of the Secretary for the administration of the department. Wings have divisions. The officers of divisions are Director, Joint Director, Deputy Secretary. Divisions. The work of divisions are framing of recruitment rules related to division, appointment of arbitrators related to division, doing purchase or acquisition related to division, preparing 5-year plan or budget of the division, drafting audit paras and report of CAG in respect to division and any other work assigned to the division. Responsibilities of Director, Deputy Secretary or Joint Director. Hold charge of a division and is responsible for the disposal of government business dealt within the division under his charge. He should ordinarily be able to dispose of the majority of cases coming up to him on his own. He should use his discretion in taking orders of the Joint Secretary on more important cases, either orally or by submission of papers. Divisions have different branches. The officer or branches are Under Secretary or any other equivalent officer. Branches function under the divisions and they are responsible for the work allotted to them. Responsibilities of Under Secretary or Assistant Director. In charge of the branch consisting of one or more section, desk and in respect they are to exercise control both in regard to the dispatch of business and maintenance of discipline. Work comes to him from the sections under their charge. Branches have sections and the officer is section officer. Sections function under the branches and they are responsible for their work falling within the subject of the sections. Responsibilities of section officer is overall responsible for maintaining discipline in the section, distribution of work among the staff, management and coordination of the work, and issuance of letters. So in this video, we have discussed about organization structure of the government. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail shown on the screen. For other videos on government business, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.